Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you the features of the DeepPocket LITE app. The DeepPocket LITE app automatically tracks the net savings from the monthly income. The monthly income can be from many sources like the salary and the interest income from the bank fixed deposits, etc. Now let's get started with the demo. Tap the app icon to invoke the menu. After scanning some initial information, the app shows you the summary screen. As you can see, the summary screen has set of rows. The first row displays the number of income credits and the total income credits for the current month and year. That's the default setting. Next you have the number of debits and the actual total debits. Next you have the credit card usage information and the FD income, and finally the net savings for the current month and year. You can choose any month of your choice and view the summary. You can also choose any month and year combination also. You can swipe left and right to get the monthly summary. Like I said, the monthly setting is the default setting. You can go year-wise and check. For example, for the year 2019, how much was the total income credits and how much was the net savings. And at the top, you have the bank filters, where you can choose a particular bank and see the summary information, and also for the account you can choose any account of your choice from the bank to reflect the changes, like the summary for the particular account, say X641 in the ICICI Bank for the month of April 2022. Now on the top right you have the sandwich menu, where when you tap, it gives the quick action menu where you can see the option download CSV. You can download the entire data in the form of CSV file onto your file manager, and there's a translate language option too, like where you can translate the information into any of the 5 major Indian languages. The default one is English. So that's about the summary screen. Now let's move on to a more detailed set of information. You can tap any of the squares to get to the next screen, where by default it will show the income credits, debits and savings for the current month and year. And the bar graph will give you a visual representation of the income credits for the current month and the savings. Like the blue bar will represent the total income credits that happened in the month of April 2022, and the orange one will represent the savings that happened in the month of April 2022. Now below that is the bank-wise breakup table, where it will show the bank-wise savings and bank-wise income for that particular month. Now below that is the transactions table, where it will list all the credit and debit transactions from all these banks. Now if you want to choose if you want to see month on month income credits and savings, you can choose period wise summary. And now you can see that for every month the information about the income credits, debits and savings. You can choose any month, any particular row, and see the bank wise split up table showing you the relevant information for that particular chosen month. For instance, it shows the income credits for the month of February 2022 is 18,28,777, and here it gives the bank-wise breakup, gives you the breakup of that amount. Similarly with respect to the savings, you can choose any month and see the changes. Now the bar graph also gives you a visual representation of the savings rate for each month. Now if you want to see the credit and debit transactions from a particular bank, then you can do so. You can tap a particular bank, say Axis Bank, and see the relevant transactions. Even in this, if you want to see only the credit transaction, you can tap the particular cell and see only the credit transactions. The credit may be your salary, your income from the interests, etc. And with respect to the debit, you can just tap the cell and see the debit transactions for the particular chosen month. The debits may be your electricity charges, school fees, etc. So now to remove the filters, you can tap show all, and you can go back to the main summary screen by tapping the back button on the phone, and you can change the month and year option to see the changes. Now there is in the third row the credit card usage information. It will show only the credit card swipes transactions. The orange bar here indicates the savings, which is the inverse bar, because it's a credit transaction. So the DeepPocket app is a simple and uncluttered app that is designed keeping in mind the customer's experience as top priority. So the app does not include any advertisements or in-app purchases. Thanks for watching the video. If you have queries and clarifications regarding the app, please reach out to us in the email ID TxSolve@gmail.com, TxSolve@gmail.com, which is given in the description box of the video. Thank you for watching the video.